Hi, this is Foggy Flush and I'm standing near the Brandenburg Gate, and next to it you should see the TV tower, but you cannot see the TV tower because it is shrouded in fog and rain. I hope you can hear my voice because the cars are so loud. Yes. Behind the Brandenburg Gate there begins East Berlin. So this is West Berlin. And this is a political statue, a propaganda statue from the West. Hello East, can you hear me? And it reads peace, peace, peace. Well, Ooh, this is dangerous. But I survived it. So, a million tourist buses coming from all directions. 47489 Drolls.